Nearby people are not showing up in your Telegram application. This is what you need to do in order to get them shown up in your Telegram application. So what you have to do is to simply go to the main menu and hover over your application. Press and hold over your application and then go to the app information. So here there are two options that you can do. Go to the storage and go to the cache. So simply you can clear the cache by clicking on clear data. Here you guys can see that there is an option to click clear the cache or manage space. So you guys can delete the Telegram space if there are any buggy memory. So if the issue still persists, what you guys can do is to simply clear all data from the Telegram and then enter your account again and log into your account again, so that way your Telegram contacts will be shown up. So that is how you can do it. The other method is go to the app permissions. In the app permission, make sure that you go to the contacts and make sure you toggle it on over here. Allow the app to access the contacts of your mobile phone, so that way the people in your contact list will be shown in the Telegram application. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.